Doctors don't get rich by accident. You can earn a great salary and still end up broke, stressed, and working forever if you don't play the money game right. The good news? You don't need a finance degree. You just need a plan. And that's why I created the Physician's Wealth Blueprint. It's a step-by-step, no BS guide to building wealth without financial chaos. It's a clear, logical system designed specifically for doctors so you know exactly what to do with your money and when to do it. So let's get into it. Number one, protect your income. Your biggest asset financially is not your bank account. It's your ability to earn. And one injury could end your career overnight. So disability insurance protects your paycheck and term life insurance protects your family. Get both. Number two, build a cash buffer. Before you invest a dime, cover your highest insurance deductible and then stack 3 months of essentials in savings, okay? Because when an emergency happens, swiping a credit card is not a financial plan. Number three, take the money. If you've got an employer 401k match, you gotta grab it. This is an instant guaranteed return. Don't leave free money sitting there. Number four, you've gotta kill your high interest debt. If it's over 6 to 7%, and I'm looking at you credit cards, you gotta pay it off fast. High interest debt is like a money leak and it quietly drains your future. Number five, now it's time to fully fund your emergency account. Now you got to stretch that cash cushion to cover 3 to 6 months of expenses. Before you build wealth, you have to build security. Number six, you want to max out Roth IRA and HSA contributions. The Roth IRA grows tax-free, and the HSA is a triple tax powerhouse. These accounts are wealth building cheat codes, and you got to use them while you can. Number seven, max out your retirement plan. You want to go all in on your 401k or your 403b or your 457b because taxes matter. Number eight, you want to accelerate your wealth. You want to invest beyond your retirement account. So once your tax advantage accounts are maxed out, put extra money into a brokerage account or put it into real estate or invest some back into your practice ownership. This is where financial freedom really starts getting exciting. Number nine, you want to prepay future expenses. You want to pay for your kids' college or buy into a practice or even take a sabbatical. Plan for it now so you're in control when the time comes. And number 10, you want to achieve total financial freedom. The final step, you got to eliminate all your student loans and your mortgage because when you own everything outright, work becomes optional. You see the pattern? Protect first, invest next, and eliminate debt all along the way. There's no gimmicks here. There's no get rich quick nonsense, just a clear path to financial security. If you like this, hit the follow button. I break down personal finance for doctors without the fluff.